Before the surgery, I was in pain virtually constantly with every movement of my right leg. If I tried to lift my leg to get in the car, if I tried to sleep and roll over, I was in pain. On the tennis court, I had to get friends to play with me who would be my designated runners. Because I could only cover 1/3 of the court, I could hardly run, so they covered 2/3 of the court. I went online to research. I have a tennis website, and the most important advice I got on my website was don't put it off. So another tennis friend of mine had used Dr. Zehr for his hip replacement. His recovery time was magnificent, so I called Dr. Zehr's office and they couldn't have been more accommodating. They saw me the very next day, scheduled my surgery for 2 weeks after that. Dr. Zehr's office gave me the guidebook and they said I was one of the few people who read it all the way through and followed their instructions. I'm a big believer in doing what you need to do to rehab. I had my surgery done on May the 9th, went home that next day. We had in-house physical therapy for 1 week after that. And then after that, I did everything else on my own. I'm a fairly dedicated physical guy, so I did the physical therapy on my own. And everything went according to the schedule that they prognosticated for me. And I was walking without a cane in 6 days, and I was on a ball machine in 4 weeks. So for me, the recovery time was magnificent. And right now, it's 4 months later, and I'm at 90% of where I was before. Before the surgery, I was playing probably 6 times a week. Right now, I'm back up to playing 4 or 5 times a week, and I hope to be back playing 6 times again. I play senior tournaments. I've now graduated. I'm in the 75s age group right now. So I'm looking forward to resuming my activity the way it was just before the surgery. I've become a missionary on the subject of anterior operations, and Dr. Zehr is the one who provides that. And I asked him why other doctors don't do that. And he said, because they don't know how. After the surgery, within hours after the surgery, pain was gone, zero, and had zero pain since then.